Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about X. And no, I don't mean XXX Tentacion. I mean Spotify's new DJ, which they have termed X. And this new DJ was just launched today, about 2 hours ago. And this AI is going to do very simple tasks on Spotify, but basically it's going to change your experience and the way you're going to listen to music on the Spotify service. So I went to the Twitter page of the vice president of personalization at Spotify, and you can see right here he has talked about the Spotify DJ, and basically he's going to do 3 very important things for you. Number one, it's going to give you music personalized for you. Now it's going to go through music that you listen to very frequently, like music that you've listened to in the past days, maybe that you have put on repeat, and then music that you've listened to throughout the year, like music from your Spotify Wrapped. Those are songs that you listen to very frequently. It's gonna bring up those music and then tell you things about those songs. And then number 2 is gonna give you context from music experts leveraging generative AI. So basically, before you play a song, the AI is gonna pop up and tell you some things about the music, and maybe the genre of the music and some other things about the song. So that's what the AIX is going to be doing. And then number 3 is going to have a stunningly realistic AI voice. So if I have gone with not using the normal Google voice that we are all used to, it kind of personalizes human voices for it to give you a more realistic feel and experience. And then now I have gone to my Spotify, but then I have not seen the service on my Spotify yet, and that's because it has only been rolled out to premium users in the US and the UK. So if you have not gotten this, you can just go to the Google Play Store if you're in the US and the UK, and then you can just come and update your application, and then you should see it. It's just in the beta stage and it's not fully released yet, but I'm sure that in the coming months, with all the feedback they're gonna get from the beta testers, then it's gonna be rolled out fully, and it's gonna change the way you're gonna listen to music on Spotify, and it's gonna make it more personalized. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.